In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about bathroom plumbing pipes so you can avoid headaches and get your project done right the first time. Alright, so first off, when you're picking bathroom plumbing pipes, you want to think about the material. Like, PVC pipes are super popular because they're lightweight and easy to cut, plus they don't rust. But if you're dealing with hot water lines, going with copper pipes might be better since they handle heat way better. Then, make sure you measure your pipe lengths accurately before cutting. You really don't want to mess that up, or you'll waste materials and time. Also, always check the water pressure in your bathroom because if it's too high, it can put a strain on the pipes and cause leaks later on. When connecting pipes, don't forget to use the right fittings and apply plumber's tape on threaded joints to stop leaks. Another tip is to keep your pipes well supported with clamps or brackets. No sagging allowed, or it can stress the joints and cause cracks. If you're running pipes through walls or floors, use sleeves or pipe insulation so they don't get damaged or freeze in cold weather. And lastly, always test your plumbing after installation by running water through it and checking for leaks before closing up any walls or floors. Trust me, catching problems early saves you a ton of hassle. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bathroom plumbing pipes is not accounting for pipe slope. Pipes need a slight downward angle for drainage, otherwise water just sits and causes clogs. Another common issue is over-tightening connections. This might seem like a good idea, but it actually cracks fittings and makes leaks worse. And third, a lot of folks forget to inspect old pipes before installing new ones around them, which can cause unexpected leaks or corrosion problems down the line. The fix? Use a level for slope, tighten connections just enough to seal, and always give old plumbing a good once-over before starting. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks homeowners up with local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like bathroom plumbing. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find steady gigs without all the usual hassle of marketing themselves. So whether you're fixing a leaky pipe or doing a full remodel, they've got your back with trusted pros nearby.